In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get the order ID in WooCommerce. Whether you're managing an online store or troubleshooting an order, knowing how to locate the order ID quickly and efficiently is essential for smooth operation. WooCommerce makes this process fairly straightforward, but if you're new to it or just need a refresher, I'm here to walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly where to find the order ID for any transaction in your WooCommerce store. So let's dive right in. To start, the first thing you need to do is log into your WordPress dashboard. This is the central hub for managing your website, including your WooCommerce store. Use your admin credentials to sign in securely. Once you're logged in, you'll see the WordPress dashboard, which contains all the tools and settings you need to manage your site on the left-hand side. This menu is where you'll find everything, including the WooCommerce options we'll be working with today. Now, locate the left-hand menu. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with it if you're not already. It's the vertical menu running down the left side of your screen. This is where all the key sections of your WordPress site are organized, like posts, pages, and plugins. You'll want to scroll down until you find WooCommerce. It should be listed there, and when you spot it, go ahead and click on it. This will expand the WooCommerce menu and reveal several options related to managing your store. From the expanded WooCommerce menu, you'll want to select the option labeled Orders. Clicking here will open up the Orders page, which is where all your recent transactions are displayed. Think of this as the place where you can view and manage all incoming orders. It's essentially a table that provides a quick overview of everything happening in your store, from new purchases to completed transactions or those still being processed. Once you're on the orders page, take a moment to look at the table. This is where you'll find all the details for each order. The table is organized into columns, and each row represents a single order. Now here's the important part. Look at the very first column of the table. This is where the order ID is displayed. The order ID is a unique number assigned to each transaction, making it easy to identify specific orders. To ensure you're looking at the correct order, you'll want to cross-reference the order ID with additional details in the table. Look at other columns, such as the customer's name, the date the order was placed, and the status of the order. These additional pieces of information will help you confirm that you've identified the right order ID, especially if you're working with multiple transactions or if you need to discuss a specific order with a customer or team member. And that's it. You've successfully located the order ID in WooCommerce. With this knowledge, you can now quickly reference orders whenever you need to, whether it's for customer support, fulfilling an order, or record keeping. It's a simple process, but it's such an important part of running your online store. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.